Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls on your Silver Monkey Arago. So, you can play and pause the song by pressing one time at the power button. So press on it and I pause the song, press again and I play song. To increase the volume, click at the plus button. So press on it and as you can see I increase it, let's make it again and again I increase it. To lower the volume, use minus button and again it worked. Now to play next track, press and hold at the volume up button. And we play next track. To play previous track, press and hold at the volume down button. Here we go. And also the last one we have the microphone button to mute and unmute the microphone. So if you see this green LED light, it means that the microphone is on mute. And to mute it, just press one time on this button. And right now we have no LED light. So the microphone is mute. And to unmute it, just press again and we can see this LED light. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.